Ooh. Yeah, it's just been down so many days. Well, 3 days. Maybe it's got one more day.
I'm just gonna watch it.
Yeah.
I can get a
It's probably
dollar
got
per share out of it. It's
probably got
good.
room to 75. Yeah, look at that little beer flag forming right now.
mRNA kind of looks short too. NVAX looks short. Not sure which one to play though.
Boeing looks pretty damn short. Day two continuation. I mean, it broke some support here yesterday and held.
Yeah.
I like that. Just I'm gonna have to wait for an Orb, I guess. But if it breaks like 162, it's off to the races, I think.
Yeah.
Um, Also like, well, I don't know. I was looking at shop, but that's counter trend trading. I shouldn't do that as a short. Just coming back down to I don't know, maybe like 1,000 or something. I'm just gonna leave that alone probably. Man, OSTK.
Yeah, I like OSTK.
Something else. What do they even do? So you can't even short
You can't short it?
BNTX. Nope, I cannot.
Oh man. Probably a long today though, so that's not too bad.
um, One of these days, Amazon's gonna pop. It's getting tighter, one way or the other.
Tesla's kind of tightening up its range these last 3, 4, 5 days.
Yeah, I noticed that.
What does that mean, John?
I
Means
mean,
we
it looks kind of like Amazon,
take it
honestly. It
down.
looks just like Amazon, pretty much. Yeah, I mean, if you
It
take down
looks
Tesla, I'll take
exactly,
down
yeah.
Amazon.
Well, Amazon has earnings today,
Wait, does it? Oh yeah.
so why not?
Oh man. I don't know. I was reading a lot of Reddit. They said it's gonna be good, so going long, 1,000 shares. Oh, that would be like
Yeah.
300,000. And then let's see. So I got OSTK. I'm watching AMD also. It's kind of sitting
I
under
took AMD
yesterday's.
off. I get too antsy for like how much I can. So easy to take shares on that thing.
Yeah, I
Because
guess.
the spread can be like 1, 2 cents. You're like, yeah, I can risk like really tight.
Oh man. I've been, you know what? Lately, I've been like adding just a little bit more space to my stops. I feel like, I don't know. I keep getting stopped out sometimes if I put them where I should put them. So I just kind of give it a little bit more room, and it's been working out. Just don't make as much money, obviously. All right. We
Yeah,
got
let's
what?
do it, man.
Yeah, 15 seconds.
I think I'm gonna look at NVAX for a short right at the open
Ooh,
somewhere here.
spot for a short too. There goes Boeing. Breaking 162 right away. Yeah, that spread on Wayfair is crazy. $3 right now, or $2. It was just $3. Etsy going green. Shit, shit. Took some Etsy, but it retracted right as I bought it. Let's see, what was my entry? Right at the green spot. Damn, OSTK going down fast.
Down hard, huh?
Crazy. FSLY might go green. Why is everything looking like it's going green? Fake out. Gonna try to get rid of some Etsy over here at the top. Oh, of course, I get rid of some. It freaking takes off. Dude, there's a lot of red to greens right now. Actually, only two.
Wanted to get involved in NBACs, but the spread is not helping.
Nvex. You like that thing. Well, you like it as much as I like Amazon.
Yeah, I've taken a lot of trades on it. I do like mRNA under 77.50.
Damn. Yeah, FSLY. I was thinking about taking red to green, but I didn't know if it was gonna be a fake out. Market was like just turning, just starting to push at the time.
INO's really pushing nice.
I know. Come on, get rid of my freaking shares here. Nobody wants to buy them. Ooh, yeah, I know.
Hmm. Uh,
There's
I
not.
need
I
to
gotta
just,
wait for an ORB now.
yeah, I was just gonna say I might just have to wait for a little bit. Everything's kind of looking scattered.
Yep.
Market's pushing, but let's see if it continues or not.
Tesla. I'm gonna leave Tesla alone.
Yeah, it's tricky out there.
Yeah. Got all out of Etsy. Oh, Boeing. I gotta pay attention. I want to short that.
Oh yeah, Boeing.
Why do I keep forgetting? It's because I have it at the corner of my monitor, just like furthest away from my eyes. Well, that was a nice fast push up on everything. Hey, Kodak is I mean, if it forms a nice or if it forms an orb, it'll be nice and clean. Hey, AMD might go green. Ooh, Etsy coming back up to highs. I think he's gonna get stopped on pen too. Unless the market starts turning around. OSTK setting up, starting to. Oh man, FSLY. Hmm.
Oh, FSLY.
I know, man. I'm so pissed I didn't get in it. I was about to. But honestly, I probably would have sold out. Or I probably would have been already sold out. And that's in Etsy too. See, like I sold out of Etsy. Oh wow, going. Bowen's pushing.
Oh, it is pushing, huh? Wow, I would never played that.
Yeah, right. Or maybe
All
it's
right,
giving us
well,
an entry at the 9. I might try to short it if see, like I wish it stayed up there and then another candle opened red. But it always just goes, touches it, and reverses right away. But now the VWAP's curling up. I took that off my list.
I'm home.
Home. That Home Depot.
No, this is just they're like retail, like
Wow. That is funny.
cute decorative pillows and stuff, I
Oh,
think.
kind of like I know what you're talking about. Like Bed Bath and Beyond and stuff.
Yeah, similar. It's there's specialty retail in that sector, just like home furnishings.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Oh, how times have changed. Let's see.
Kodak going down.
Yeah. Yep, it is.
Or ORB short right here.
No shorts on it.
Sitting right on the moving averages though.
Yep.
UBXY is breaking out. What does that tell us?
Um, I don't know. Tells us that breaking down. You said
No,
breaking up.
breaking out.
Oh, breaking
It's gonna
out.
go up.
I mean, SPY looks like it wants to break down.
I take some UVXY here at the top.
They would take some
20
Boeing
cents.
here. $2 stop. I don't. No, never mind. Too far. Wait, what'd you take?
UVXY.
Okay. Ooh. Hmm. Oh, she's starting to go. Ooh, I knew he'd get stopped out of pen.
There we go. This is the spot where the market breaks down right here.
It's got to break down right here. Well, I'll go long, and one of us, at least one of us, will win.
Yeah, we'll just share the profits.
Man, let's see. Oh, good thing I.
Ideally, like you set up a system where you're both long and short on whatever trade you take. And then of course you hold whichever one's winning longer. So
Yeah,
you're always profitable.
yeah, that would
Like true
be.
true hedging.
That would be. I wonder if that could work. Like in theory, it sounds great, but real life, will it work? Ooh, AMD's going freaking green. Damn it, damn it. Damn. Alright, so got 100 shares of AMD right now. Definitely late to the party on this one. Definitely late to the party.
I was looking at JNUG for long. I kind of missed all that.
Oh man, I wasn't even looking at JNUG.
Yeah, it was
I took
setting
it
up
off.
nice.
Hey, you still in UVXY?
I am. I haven't been stopped out yet.
Okay. Just making
Came
sure
within
you have
like 2 pennies of my stop though.
just making sure you have a stop. Tesla going green. See if it holds. Come on, get rid of some shares over here. Hmm.
Hmm. John, this is tricky day again.
Yeah, I meant to take half off at my 1 hour spot on AMD and I missed it. Of course, my late entry. Well, I didn't buy as many shares as I. If I nailed that entry, I could have had like a bunch more shares. Man, I could have had 175 shares. I only have 100.
I know seems to be holding at VWAP. See if we can get back above like 22, 25-ish.
All right, yeah. Yeah, maybe once the 9 catches up a bit, it'll probably go. Yeah, take a quick pullback to the 9, boom.
That'd be awesome. Boeing setting up for another leg down if it breaks.
Oh my god, I'm like literally pennies away from getting out half off of AMD. God, what the hell? Oh yeah, Boeing. Damn it.
I'm gonna take JNUG right here, man. Dollar stop to the downside.
You know what? I'm just gonna freaking. I took half off of AMD. Watch is gonna take off. You took some JNUG, you said?
Yeah,
Long or
stop
short?
is. I took it long.
Hmm. Hmm.
Giving it a shot here.
All right. All right.
UVXY is coming back up, which is lucky. I didn't get stopped out.
Yeah, that's good. Come on, AMD. Dude, of course now it goes back to all-time highs or today's highs right after I sell out.
Rough. Sucks when that
I
happens.
sold half out, so I've still got 50 shares, but like it's so annoying. Those little things. I sold another quarter. I'll let the rest ride.
It's no joke though. It messes you up psychologically.
Yeah.
You're get to that spiral of death sort of pattern.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, there's your INO working its way up
Oh, is it? I think I switched
slowly.
charts. Let me put it back on here. Oh, see, that's the entry I wanted right there. Dang it. It'll pull back though. It always pulls back.
It always pulls back.
Might not though. Shoot, it's gonna break 50 here. 2250.
Damn. Ooh, I could have re-entered Etsy over here. Hmm. The only breakout plays that seem to work right now are like earnings or stocks with catalysts. UVXY going. It looks like it wants to.
All right, I entered NINO. Entered INO. I can't say that word.
I know.
Stop 2180. 2189. If it gets that low, it's probably going to crash because it has support all through there.
The market's
I
going down though.
got stopped at a JNUG, but UVXY is working for me. Nice. It is breaking out. Sick.
Hell yeah. Gonna see if I could get in Boeing somewhere. Stopped out of the rest of my AMD.
Move my stop to break even on UVXY because it shouldn't break down that far anymore.
Alright, alright. Wonder how many bag holders are in Kodak. Damn, your UVXY is looking pretty.
Now it's looking great. I should have added all the way through that.
Looking. Is that part of your plan, Justin?
It is now. Just, I'm kidding.
Oh, I know. Yeah, yeah. Kind of
There's so
chased
many
Boeing
shoulda,
here.
coulda, wouldas in trading.
Got in Boeing as a chase. Totally bad. Took 25 shares. Let's see if it keeps breaking. It's like every time I turn around for like 1 second, boom, it goes.
I know that was just went straight down. Yeah,
Oh yeah, shit.
UVXY is bringing me back.
UVXY coming to save the day.
Yeah, awesome. Partial, took a partial on it. And stop is even.
Hmm. Damn, the Dow's down 500 points. Hmm. I don't know what the freaking thing is for it.
I'm just gonna let the rest of my UVXY ride higher.
Yeah, man. And
Green
definitely
on the
start
day, but not by much because I got stopped out too many.
definitely start taking some profits though if you haven't.
Yeah, I took a partial already. I have about a quarter of my shares left.
All right. Because you know how the market can just turn around within a couple of minutes.
I know. That was like a couple days ago. The Fed was just pushing it higher. Something was.
Yeah, it was crazy. What about the other
FSLY
day
is
when it just?
looking short here.
Oh yeah. Hmm. The daily's just long though.
I think we get a little bit of a short through it though. We'll see what happens.
OSTK is going. Broke through VWAP.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, OSTK would have been nice off those moving averages.
Yeah. Ooh, wow. Here comes Bowen. We'll break 161. Probably not here. I'm getting out of Boeing while I can. I did chase the crap out of it. Oh, of course it breaks. Something else. Oh my gosh. Damn you, Boeing.
Breakdown territory.
Yep.
Taking another half off my UVXY and letting the rest just roll. Like an eighth of a position left.
I'm gonna
Stop
see if I can get
27.30.
filled on the ask on Amazon. Actually, you know what? No, never mind. Eh. I don't know. A little indecisive here. What is there to watch? It's already too late on OSTK.
Oh, it's flagging.
I don't see it flagging.
Switch to the 2-minute chart, 1-minute chart.
Uh,
If it
eh,
breaks the highs here, you can set a stop right at the VWAP.
yeah.
I just don't know how much juice it's got.
Exactly.
$2 maybe. That's actually all right. You can play that. I don't know. I think you're right. The real play was a little bit lower than that.
Yeah, it was off the 9 on the 5.
Tesla double bottom. It's like flat on the day.
Yeah, you got in earlier too. I don't know how he did.
I mean, they had earnings, but unless he's trying to short it, maybe he's shorting it. I don't know.
Let me take a look.
Yeah, look here. No, he took it long.
At 13.23.
I'm not playing that.
Yeah, no, that looks boring. Let me see what else we got on TC 2000 over here.
You need to hit Boeing if it ever retraces back to VWAP. Just hit it on a reversal.
Yes. Yep, I like that. That entry on that first big red candle would have been perfect. On the 5 right off the 9. Ugh. Would have probably taken it when it breaks. Once it broke VWAP.
I took my UVXY off. Just keep it a short trade.
Nice.
I get a little too emotional when I hold them too long.
That's what I
Not
do.
really, not really emotional, but like I start to think, well, I'm up on this one, so I can risk a little more on this other one. That's not good.
Oh no, you gotta keep it the same, Justin.
Got to keep the same, right, John? I have to be disciplined today.
$35 no matter what. But I usually cut them out early. That's what I've been doing lately. Oh shit, there goes AMD. Damn it. I don't know where I would have gotten in on that one. I think AMD is going to be a runner today. I think it's going to break yesterday's highs and go to like 80 or something. $77.19 is the high for yesterday.
Watching mRNA for possible short under 78 here. 50-cent stop.
mRNA. Okay. Yeah.
Not a lot of volume on it like it used to have for how large the float is.
All right. And look at Boeing. It's nice, clean resistance at like 162 almost. Got a thing for Boeing. I don't know why. Alright, I'm gonna go get some water. I'll be right back.
Okay.
All right. Hmm. Get anything while I was gone?
Hmm. Still watching mRNA.
Ooh,
They may
AMD.
have a nice reversal off the 9 here. 9 EMA. 9 EMA bounce.
AMD is about to break, man. Break yesterday's highs. This
That
could
thing's
be.
so crazy.
No, it is. It's like literally about to. 2 pennies away.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I took some stops at this bottom of the candle. Not too many shares.
Oh, nice. It's breaking.
Yeah, these earning plays, man, they don't mess around.
That'd
Or
be a
I'll
lot of
probably go get.
volume too.
Yeah, I'll
Like a
probably get stopped
million
out.
shares.
Hmm. I mean, there isn't really much juice, or the squeeze isn't. Well, how did he say it? The juice worth the squeeze. There's not much here. Maybe like another dollar or two, but I think it's gonna pull back some before it does that.
All right, I took some mRNA short. A reversal here. Really tight stop, just the top of the recent retracement
Ooh,
at
that's.
60.
I
So like
like that.
60. Kind of holding it to the 9 EMA.
That's a nice trade.
Could be a
Should
mistake,
work.
but the risk is small, so that's what I'm hoping.
Exactly.
Then it will break down.
You know what? I'm moving my stop on this AMD to hmm, I should have kept it right below the breakout and just bought a shitload of shares.
Yeah, it's working out nice.
Yeah. I'm gonna get rid of half here.
Make that part of your plan next time, John.
What was that? Yeah, what did I even say? Oh, buy a
Buy a
shitload of
whole ton of
shares.
shares.
And put the stop real close and pray.
Don't even have to pray, you just look at the chart.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, but like, how do I know if it's gonna fail or not? Usually these earning ones don't, but I
That's why you
mean,
have your stop.
this is AMD. Kind of used to suck. All right, I'm all out. That's good enough for me.
You didn't keep a piece of it?
Nah, you know what? I feel like every time I keep like a little piece, I get stopped out.
I don't know, but look at the daily. It's just barely starting to
Yeah, I
break
know the
over.
daily does look good. Oh man, you're right. I should have kept some.
At least keep.
All right, let me buy another 100.
How many shares did you end up buying?
So I bought like 100 the first time when I went from red to green. Then I just bought 50.
So even with that, you could still say like 25 shares. If it goes up another dollar, that's another, wherever your tolerance is, you could just play it for a dollar,
That's true.
another 1 hour, and
That's
then keep
true.
your risk at break even because you're not out anything.
Man, look at OSTK.
The mRNA is breaking down. Woo!
Ooh, let's see. Nice. Yeah, that was a good one.
Got to break these lows here. If we get below 77.80, got it in the
That
bag.
was a good one. Here, I'll help you out. I'll short some. I'll use my whole account to short.
What would really help is if you could use your Twitter account to just say how much money you made on it and that it's still a good play to the short side.
Man, it must be nice having a shitload of followers. Just help you make those stocks move. Dude, OSTKs. Wow, I did not expect that. Doesn't always work like that. But I mean, let's see. It's yeah, it went from, man, if we caught at the 9, maybe like 66 even.
It's always interesting. I think about this a lot. Is how arbitrary is the 9 EMA? I mean, it's just like we could have a 12 EMA or a 30
Yeah,
EMA. Everything really seems to respect the 9.
it does.
It's the general rule of how things trend.
More people look at it, so it works better.
Yeah, I mean that's what we're doing.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's so interesting to me.
It is pretty cool. A Wayfarer did go green. Had the right idea, but like you said, that spread is so crappy.
What's the spread right now?
I mean, it's 65 cents.
50 cents.
50. Yeah, it keeps varying.
Yeah, that's so hard to trade.
So hard.
Messes my mind.
All right, let's see. I want to see if I could hit one more trade, then I'm done. Hmm. REGN if it on the next candle if it holds. Or yeah, if it holds here.
I have not looked at that stock in a while.
Regeneron. Kind of remounted the moving averages.
Oh, I can't do it with the spread either. I mean,
Oh
the
yeah.
volume is so light.
You see, like I keep see. I'm glad I have you here to bring up these good points.
Well, let me
Like I
tell
don't
you,
even look at them sometimes. Like
you just need to
I just look at the
trade
chart.
those, trade those a lot, the low volume, high spread stocks, and then get smoked out a bunch. And then that's the first thing you look at. Let me tell you.
Oh man.
Yes. REGN, it's not even moving because it doesn't have any volume right now.
Yep,
100
you're right.
shares. Need a little more than that.
What is Boeing going to do? Could
There
they
we got the breakdown. mRNA.
nice.
Now we're pushing the day lows.
There you go. You do pretty well with mRNA usually.
I think what I do well with is if I watch a stock long enough before I hit the button, then you can have an idea of what it's going to do and how to guard your risk.
Right. It's true.
I don't always do that. I usually like get in, I'm like, oh, there's a pattern, hit it. I'm like, oh, that was way too many shares. But then I'm like, well, I'll just hold to my stop.
Right.
Hit, $100 or whatever. And then $100 comes and I'm like, oh my gosh, I need needs more room than that or whatever.
Need less shares so you can move your stop further.
Like somewhere you would take the the stop on the stock normally. Some if the spread will open up, sometimes it eats up your stop.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
Like an mRNA, the spread opened up to like 30 cents or so that's how much room I gave it above where I needed it.
Yeah, it's looking nice right now.
Oh,
Really? So they're not. So they're charging. They're gonna be charging more than Pfizer. Is that what you just
sounds
said?
like or it costs more to produce.
Hmm.
Shares of Moderna slipped after a report from Financial Times said that the pharmaceutical company was negotiating the price of its in-development vaccine with a range expected to be $50 and $60 per course.
Yeah.
That would put the cost of mRNA 1273 to coronavirus patients in the range of $25 to $30 per shot, a separate farms or something. Last week, Pfizer and BioNTech struck a deal with the US government for a price of 19.5 per dose. So they're charging $5 to $10 more per dose of this
Right.
virus vaccine.
Hmm. I was just about to. Mm. Well then, like, I don't know how they're doing all these numbers when they don't even have a vaccine yet. Doesn't make any sense. How do they know what it's gonna take to produce one?
I don't know,
But
probably
you
past
know,
experience.
I just went to go short SPXL, but I couldn't because I don't have any shorts on it. I was gonna short it right at 46.40, 30-cent stop. Hmm.
I took my UVXY off. See, this is where if I had a piece of it still,
You know
I could have made another dollar per share on wherever it
that thing
fell.
is cooking.
And even so, it might even cook tomorrow too. It could have been a swing trade.
I
Not that I'm
think
a
some.
swing trader.
I think the market's gonna go down a lot today at some point. Might short some TQQQ here. Oh, I can't. I need a long SQQ. Oh, too late.
How
Oh
are you doing
yeah,
on the day, John? Are you still holding green?
yeah. I just
Okay.
longed some SQQQ. I've got 700 shares, 5-cent stop.
Keep it tight because the breakdowns aren't really working. See how like the past couple reversed and then went to VWAP.
Yeah, but I
So
think this. I don't know. I just have a feeling the UVXY cooking so hard.
I'm not saying you can't take the trade, just be careful.
Yeah, this will be the last
Careful
one.
for the fake out breakdown.
Oh, it got. I think it's gonna get me out. You're right.
Indexes are super hard for me to trade because they don't act like stocks.
Oh man, it got me good. I mean, just a normal $35 loss, but I was so convinced. That's funny. It's about to stop. It's like 1 penny away, so I'm gonna get stopped out.
part of my trading style, trading plan, I mean. I need to
Yeah.
like have some cases where like UVXY where I don't sell out so much on a partial. I take like a quarter
Right. Yeah, I got stopped out.
because the market had a clear breakdown. The VWAP was hugging it nice. I mean, it looked nice for a breakdown in the market. And so UVXY is going to reflect that to the upside. And I should have just taken a piece off just so I don't lose on the trade and then just let it run.
Yeah. Well, it's just hard to do that when you're, I don't know. I just have a hard time letting it run. 'Cause like there's so many times where it just doesn't run, and then I just like give back like, a little piece of it. I'm just like, well, that was unnecessary.
Yeah.
Look at
I,
OSTK.
I feel like I'm doing better though. OSTK. Where's that on my chart? There it is. Oh man. Are you
Yep.
still in that one? You got in
No,
OSTK,
I
right?
never got in.
Oh, that was AMD you were saying you got in.
Yeah.
Still got AMD?
No. No. Do not.
I'm still looking good too. But mRNA, I'm about really close to a dollar per share. I
Yeah.
still haven't taken a partial, but because it's breaking down so hard, I mean, right now it's at all the day lows.
Yeah,
It looks
but
like I can just keep holding it.
I would
And then,
definitely be taking a partial though. At least half or something. They could reverse
well, I
any
mean,
second.
from here, I'm trying to figure out where I might want to have like a back profit stop
Right.
just in case, for that partial.
Hmm.
Because if it continues the heat of this breakdown, great. But then I could probably put a stop for like 77.80 for a
Mhm.
partial.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, right now I'm up $52. Was up 85 if it wasn't for that SQQ. Should have left it alone. Oh, you know what? I should have freaking looked at the QQQ. I should have zoomed out a little bit. Nice double tap right there.
Oh, is
From
there
yes
from
from like
yesterday?
yesterday or Tuesday.
Oh, where it closed. Yeah,
Like, I'm an idiot. If I literally just zoomed out a little bit, I would have saw that.
those are crazy. The other thing too is mentally, arbitrarily, I want to just take shares off if I'm up a dollar on it, no matter where I'm at within that dollar.
You should. I mean, that's what Canal says. Definitely take some off at a dollar.
But I still think more of it has to come from the chart.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. But
Because
usually
the
when,
stock,
like,
the
well,
stock in the stock market doesn't know where I entered it,
right. But I mean, like,
so I
unless
need
you're,
to play it off of support areas. Cover at support.
yeah, I mean, like, what you're saying makes sense if you're like in Amazon that's moving like $10 a candle. Like most other stocks we're in, a dollar is pretty reasonable.
Potential. Yeah.
But I mean, it all really depends on the stock and like the chart. But for me, I feel like I'm taking most off at a dollar, and where my like risk is too, or my stop.
Well, here's the other thing, John, is I think I make stock trading too complicated when really it's just there's a pattern, get in, okay, I'm up, take some off. I'm up some more, so I'll just take some more off.
I mean, yeah. If I were you, I would do some easy red to greens, green to reds on the 5 minute, or well, I guess that works for any time frame really. But then ORBs are so easy on the 5 minute, and they're more reliable. I feel like than the lower time frames.
All right, I took a partial mRNA to have it off.
Ooh, yeah, that was a nice steady downtrend. Looks like it's starting to reverse here.
Yeah, if it can hold above 7760, that looks like the spot to go long.
Mhm.
I'm gonna keep my stop for the rest of my shares at 7780. That
Hmm.
just ensures that I don't lose on it,
I wonder if
but I try to get the most out of it.
how many shares are you keeping?
Keeping 100 shares.
Okay.
It's like it's got to break down here, or if it doesn't, I don't really want to be part of it anymore.
Right.
Risking $30 off my current unrealized P&L to make that happen.
That's not too bad. All depends with what you're okay with. Like right now, I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades unless, or maybe I'll take a half size trade. That's what I should have done with SQQ. Kind of lost my thought process there. Should have definitely taken half off since I was up a good amount today. But if I take another trade, I'll just take a half size.
You know what? I'm being silly. I need to put my stop actually above the 9. That makes more sense if I want it to trend.
Yeah, I mean, like it looks like it's rounding out here on the 5 minute,
I
but it could come
think
touch the
that's the
9 and
hardest thing.
it could do
Hardest thing is
anything.
to know what to do with that last piece,
Yeah. Just close your
like
eyes and walk away.
QBXY
No
or
stop.
whatever. Yeah, I've done that a couple times and it's awesome.
Yeah,
But more than not, that doesn't work.
exactly.
Like I used to, when I worked night shift,
Yeah,
whenever I had a day off and I could trade like all day,
right.
trade in the morning, and then around noon Eastern time, be 8 o'clock this time, and that's when my dog would wake up for his walk.
Right.
So I'd walk my dog, and I most often get in a stock just to be in something. FSLY right here,
I like that.
60-cent stock.
Come on. Oh, it's being an ass. It doesn't. As soon as I get in, it goes down a little. I'm in half size on that one. We don't get in too many of the same stocks together at the same time, I noticed.
Yeah, which I think is actually beneficial. You get in
Yeah,
because there's a reason you want to get in.
exactly. Kind of doing our own little style, you know?
UBXY is breaking down, SPY and QQs are reversing.
This is good. And Spy's breaking that VWAP in 9.
mRNA went up and retraced, gave me a perfect place to put my stop for the rest. 7786, probably a little lower, just in case. 7781.
FSLY really needs to get back over, get back to today's highs though to continue.
What was I just telling you before I got distracted?
Uh,
I don't remember.
about working night
Me just
shift and
rambling.
I don't know.
Oh, and so I
Right,
would often just look for a stock right at that time during the lunch hours, which is the problem. And I'd be
right.
like, I think this one's going to go up and this is a good spot. So I'll enter it, set my stop, and then I go walk the dog. And then I come back to see if I made money or not.
That's funny. Kind of like
And
a slot machine.
yeah, oh, totally.
And that OSTK from 69 to 75 in 15 minutes.
Okay, I'm out of mRNA. It's pretty good.
Dude, nice catch in FSLY though.
Yeah,
I
we'll see
like
how this
that.
works out. It's got good volume coming in, so.
I mean, it does look good. Looks great.
DOCU, right here is a bear bull flag. Missed it, but we'll
DOCU.
see.
Oh yeah, looking similar. I don't think it's gonna break right here. I think it needs to consolidate a little.
True.
We'll see. Actually, it could. Oh yeah.
See, it's gonna go red to green. It's gonna shoot up. I'm gonna leave an order in at 2855. See if I get filled.
Mm. I would. I would take the breakout. Oh boy, here it comes. I took half size. Yeah, I'm gonna get out early though. I'm not gonna let it come back down.
I think it's got to retrace and let the
Yeah, you
EMA
might be
catch up.
right.
Not that it won't break 209, but I think it'll break
Just
it
not
and
at
come
this
back.
second. Yeah, there's not much volume either.
It came from, holy moly, it came from 206. I think a move.
Oh yeah.
Kind of extended on that move. Pull back, recharge, then we'll go up.
Yeah, well look at OSTK. Oh man. Like, see, sometimes you just don't know. That's what makes it so hard. Like, what, 10% in 15 minutes on OSTK?
Oh, you're right. That is a 10% move.
And the move right here is only not even 1% on DOCU.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my order out. Let's just see how far it retraces, and we'll catch it on the EMAs, maybe at 208. That'd be nice. I don't know. You're right. The volume's kind of light.
It is.
Hmm.
I'm probably gonna have to sell out.
Gonna let that marinate,
Or this is
percolate,
what you could do.
consolidate.
When I sell out, you buy in because it'll go. Oh,
No, I think it's still going to go. I think you're in an okay spot for the breakout. See, you got it. Nice.
shit.
Red to green. That's nice.
It needs to keep on pushing though.
That's where I would have been a dollar up right there if I
Yeah.
got in where exactly where I was looking at it.
Hmm. Here now the volume's coming in.
Yes, it is. Nice, man. What was your entry? Your
20
2990s?
no 208.97.
Nice. Really nice.
Yeah, I got 40 shares. Let's see if I get a dollar
Probably
out
gonna
of
get
it.
210 out of it at least, if not more.
I'm gonna sell out at, let's see, at a dollar. Cause I mean, I don't know. All right, so I got half off the table. Of course, right after it spikes. I'm gonna sell another quarter. All right, so I've got 10 shares left. Damn, look at that. Now the 9 EMA. See how the 9 moved right up under it now? Like when I got in, it was further away.
That's really awesome. That is really awesome.
Yeah, that was a good one. Thanks for alerting that one. Oh wait, FSLY.
Yep, still in it.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
I'm gonna take a partial here. This is 1R. I don't want it to reverse on me. Volume is good.
Yeah, I think I would take some off too. Or it could be an OSTK where it just keeps on pumping. Get a nice like $4 out of it or something. Wouldn't that be sweet?
FSLY on the daily. Nice. Looks so
Dude,
nice.
it really does. It just needs to go a little bit more. If it could clear 87.70, we're gonna be going somewhere.
All right, I took my partial out with a stop. Press break even.
Still in.
Boeing breaking down VWAP.
Oh
Not
yeah.
really good pattern on it. It's just going down.
It's just going down.
Should have been watching for an mRNA reentry. I just
Oh
wasn't very lucky.
yeah. Man, look at Wayfair. Well, I guess it's not up that much, but like $3 from the green to red, red to green.
Yeah, I think can just move dollars if you hit it right.
Yeah. OSTK, you think it's got another pump in it?
Um, mm, no, not at this time of day. I think it's gonna have to come back to VWAP. Of course, it's like a really beautiful looking bull flag.
On what? Oh yeah.
OSTK, that big old long extended pole, and now it's consolidating for a flag. See, look at BA. Ha! It's just.
Yep. See now the VWAP and the 9 are curling right up under it.
How'd you handle DOCU? Still in?
Yes.
Anything?
I only have 5 shares.
Nice. It's pretty good. Tesla's breaking down. Everything kind of has the same look right now.
Yep.
Everything looks like the market.
Those 5 shares, I'm putting my stop flat. OSTK, 1,000 shares, 10-cent stop. I wish. And Tesla's just been trending that 9 and yeah, that 9 all day. I never took any out of FSLY. Hopefully it doesn't come bite me in the ass.
DOCU, this is my entry here. Oh, I missed it. The retracement.
Mm,
Uh, it's
might
the
reach
spread. That's what got me. I just didn't see what the spread is looking like.
at 20 cents.
Right now, you could play it to 209.60s, but the spread's too big. So 209.40s probably.
Sometimes I like to manually put my order in, like in between the spread, like maybe right in the middle where the price is at. So you don't go one side, so you don't like hit the ask. when you market order. That works sometimes. AMD's might be giving you a chance to get back in.
I
Oh yeah, I'd even.
got stopped out of FSLY, just break even. The rest of my shares.
I don't know if I should hold my $17 stop right now. It's right under the 20. Or if I should just get out now.
For so many days.
Yeah. And Canal's got a thing for INO.
Because he's got a thing for making money. Why aren't we in that, you know? Oh, is he shorting it?
I think so,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's nice.
You in DOCU, you said?
Yep,
What's your average?
209.93.
209.93. Alright, alright.
That's kind of the pullback reversal. Go long.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of hanging in air there, so I'm not giving it a whole lot of room.
Yeah, it is.
But if it can push above and hold 210 for a while, I think we got it for a little bit longer. Especially if the market hits VWAP here and goes back up, then we really got it.
Let's see. Hopefully FSLY goes and I could get out and I could be done for the day. 11 o'clock's rolling up. Things are going to start being boring.
Yeah, this is probably my last trade on Ducky unless something's really hot.
Yeah.
It's hot, John.
Like OSTK?
Like Kodak hot.
Oh, that's like once every like quarter. Not even. I feel like one of those comes out once every 6 months.
Yep. And I missed the whole thing.
Always miss them. I
Of
mean,
course,
we're not paying attention to freaking $2 stocks. That's why.
that first day when it like went above 10, came back, I thought it was done, like done.
That's
Then
because,
after hours, someone kicked it up to like crazy.
well, Trump was talking about it.
Let's see, and I don't follow
See,
any of
like,
that.
there's like a, oh yeah, they got like a $765 million loan from the government to do something with the, like, something with the vaccine, I think. I didn't really read it. I think to, like, make the ingredients or something. Who the hell knows?
Yeah, whatever Kodak can do for that.
Yeah, I just don't understand what
It just seems so abnormal that they picked that company, or,
exactly. Let me see. I'm
or that
looking
that
at it.
company would be valuable for that.
Yeah, camera company. Like, what the hell?
I know.
Let's see.
Did you
When
ever use those Kodak cameras that are like the
yeah, when
disposable ones?
when I was like 10.
Comes out, you buy it, and it's like a little foil package, and pull it out and start taking pictures and stuff.
Yeah.
And then when the film runs dry, you're done with the film, you can still use the flash on it. So me and my brother would flash each other like we're taking pictures.
uh,
There's no more film left.
oh, FSLY is coming back.
Talkie's coming up too, which is nice.
Yeah, so Kodak lands a $765 million U.S. loan under Defense Production Act to manufacture drugs to treat a variety of conditions. I'm guessing it has something to do with Corona.
It's kind of vague.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. There's like hundreds of free or a bunch of news articles here. Don't know which one to read. Don't really care. It's not making me any money.
Made Parabolic Trader some money though.
Oh man, there goes OSTK. Yeah, it made those people money, but I'm not one of those people.
Hmm.
See, like you can make a crap ton of money, like messing with those stocks, but it could also go the other way. It's not very safe. Like for the people that just kept holding overnight, probably made 100 grand or whatever. Or like, they made
Yeah.
400%, but like they could have lost it all too. You just don't know.
True. I just never know. See, I would have held it short overnight, thinking, oh, it's done. It's gonna gap down tomorrow. It's gonna be sick. I'm gonna make 5% on the downside.
Yeah.
And yeah, right. It's gonna gap up 400%.
Yeah, you just don't know.
Got stopped out at DOCU. Might be done for the day unless I want to like take UVXY back to the highs.
Oh yeah, I might get stopped out of DOCU also. See, it depends what SPY does over here. Will it just give it up and crash? Or pull, I mean? UVXY looks so tempting here as a long.
Yeah, I actually did take a 20-cent stop for 27.70.
Alright. 20-cent stop. That's a lot of shares, man.
Well, it's just what it is. That's where it's at.
A lot of shares.
Now look at the chart though.
See, I would have put
That's
it under
big.
VWAP. Gave it in at like. See. Oh, I guess you did. 30-cent stop. Got stopped at a DOCU. Yep, there goes that UVXY. Nice. You hear me? Hey, Justin. Hey, Justin, can you hear me? E. Come on. Hmm. I don't know about this FSLY. Should have gone. If it breaks under here, that's not too good. Ooh, AMD. Missed that. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna break for some reason. Just my gut telling me. That would be the time. Alright, come on. Hmm. Yeah, I think this is gonna go down. Doesn't want to break. It's right at. If it can hold above this, then there's some promise. But doesn't look like it wants to. See if the market it broke out here. Let's see if it wants to keep going. I'll get back. I'll get in over here. Oh wow, mRNA. That was a good short. Missed that. come and stop me out. Pretty sure. Hmm. Oh, some. See if I get a quick pump. I don't really trust it. It does look good though, but SPY likes to do what it wants. It looks too long. Just kind of got me worried. All right. Don't see what should I do here. Nobody wants to buy. Everybody's buying the bid. People, a lot of sellers. No one's buying at the ask. Oh, here's a few. Oh shit, gotta get rid of some of this. Gotta I start setting alerts. All right, that came through. Did not expect that. Yeah, I'll get out right. Let's see. I don't want to take that big of a loss. This was supposed to be a quick one. I should have gotten out flat. I'm out. Let's see if he could hold here. Come on. That looks clean on the 10-minute. This is my last trade. You just start selling out at some spikes. There it goes. All right. I gotta turn this off before I get all depressed that I just left a bunch on the table if it keeps moving. Let's see. Ooh, everything's pushing. Oh, look at SPXL. Damn. Had the right idea, but I should have just held it. Yeah, you never know though. Seen it so many times where the spy just comes right back. Stops you out and then reverses, so whatever. Alright, let's see my trades. So got stopped out on that. You guys I just did that one. Got in at 47.18. Got out at 47.09. Should have sold some into the spike a little bit, but there wasn't really much there. AMD. Got in at the red to green. I was late though, I think. The red to green marks right here, which is at 09. I got in at 31, which is right here. Sold over here at the spike 65. So some over here. And re-entered over here 77.20. Oh wow. Oh, at the break, this was a little bit of a chase, but I mean, the break of yesterday's highs. It usually works on an earnings play. Good earnings play. So that was my entry. Got out. Let's see, what did I get in at? 77.20. Got out at 77.65. Not bad. And I should have kept some to hold, but whatever. Only went up another like 50 cents or so. Let's see, Boeing. Boeing, I'm pretty sure I chased. Yeah, I meant to get in like over here. And I missed it, but I still got in. Down here. Sold for nothing pretty much, just in 15 cents each share. Made $4. DOCU, that was a good one. Justin alerted to me. Wasn't watching it at all. He had it on his list. Let's see. Got it at 208.97. And then, yep, 208.97, which is right here. And got a nice $2. Got out at 209, 210, 210.30, and sold my last 5 shares at 209.03 break even. That was pretty good. So that was a kind of like a breakout. You had the 9, yeah, flat top breakout. You had the 9 real tight under it. It wasn't that tight at the time when I got in, but I started tightening up. It was pretty close. Did have my doubts, but it worked. Let's see. That was a quick red to green. 108.77. Green market's here. Yesterday's close, and then I got in at 77 right here, and sold for about $1 per share. Yeah, sold some at 109.50, 110.09, and sold my last 5 at 108.78. Let's see, FSLY, you guys just saw. Oh man, look at that. And I had shares at 86.08 all the way down here. Moved $3. And if I held everything, it could have been $90 on that trade, but you just don't know. But yeah, that was a good trade. I got on this for the remount of the moving averages, and I should have taken some off here, but I didn't, so I kind of held all the way through and moved up my stop. I was in half size too, so I did pretty good actually. You know, for half size position, that wasn't bad. SPXL, yeah, I already went over that. SQQQ, I should have left this one alone. I knew better. Index East always kind of fake you out, kind of like it did with SPXL. But what I should have done here was go half size since I was already up a good amount for the day. I went in full size, so I took a full loss. This was just a break. Yeah, win it. Yeah, break of. I thought I was gonna go break the anticipation and break today's highs. The 9 was curling up under it at the time. But it didn't work out, so got stopped out. And that was it. Um, hmm, what the hell? What is going on here? Ah, okay. As you guys can see, do the math from yesterday's close. I'm up 110 bucks for the day. Well, this takes always like 5-10 minutes. See the graph. I'm kind of curious to see how it is, but let's see. I need to start typing out my journal. Oh, where am I? Let's see. So for the week, I'm up 257. Not bad profit factor. So my average winning trade is $26. Let's see. Yeah, I'm holding my losing trades real not too long. That's good. Some good accuracy. Everything's pretty good. I don't know. I need to learn how to get some more dollars out of my trades. Like FSLY, I just let slip by. I should have held some. But hindsight's 2020, so. But yeah, got out around here. And what, another freaking dollar. Had 15 shares too. Made an extra 15 bucks. Well, there's always tomorrow. But yeah, that's my day. For the month, my P&L graph is looking pretty nice. That'll be nice if I had a $300 day tomorrow and make it to 2,000 for the month. But that's not gonna happen. Most likely. I don't know what I did on this day. I think I just nailed some big pumps. Don't really remember. But yep, that's my day for today. You guys have a good day. Please hit like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.